Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home, making it a critical element of your property's curb appeal. In Clearwater, where homes are often bathed in natural sunlight and surrounded by vibrant greenery, the right door can enhance your home's aesthetic charm and leave a lasting impression. Installing a new door is an excellent way to elevate your home's exterior, combining beauty with functionality. Here's how professional door installation can improve your Clearwater home's curb appeal and why it's an investment worth making. Makes a strong first impression. Your front door is the focal point of your home's exterior and sets the tone for the rest of your property. An outdated, worn, or mismatched door can detract from your home's overall appearance, while a stylish new door can create a welcoming and polished look. Key considerations for first impressions. Color. A bold, vibrant door color like red, navy blue, or teal can add character and catch the eye. Material. Sleek fiberglass, warm wood, or durable steel options can complement your home's architectural style. Style. Choose a door design that reflects your personal taste, whether it's classic, modern, or coastal inspired. A professionally installed door enhances your home's curb appeal by creating a visually appealing entry point. Complements your home's architecture. A new door can transform your home's look when it aligns with the overall architectural style. Whether you own a contemporary coastal retreat, a traditional bungalow, or a Mediterranean-inspired home in Clearwater, there's a door style that fits perfectly. Matching your door to your home's style. Glass panels. Decorative glass accents add elegance to traditional homes and allow natural light to flow into your entryway. Clean lines. Minimalist designs with sleek finishes work well for modern homes. Rustic details. Wood grain textures and earthy tones enhance the charm of cottage or ranch-style properties. Choosing a door that complements your home's design ties the exterior together and boosts its aesthetic appeal. Enhances natural light and visibility. Clearwater is known for its abundant sunshine, and a new door with glass elements can brighten your home while maintaining privacy and security. Benefits of adding glass to your door. Decorative glass panels. These add a touch of elegance while letting in sunlight to illuminate your entryway. Side lights and transoms. These additional glass features create a grand and inviting look, perfect for larger entrances. Tinted or frosted glass. Provides privacy without sacrificing natural light. A door that maximizes natural light enhances both the curb appeal and the interior atmosphere of your home. Adds value with durable materials. A well-installed door not only looks great but also lasts longer and requires less maintenance, adding value to your home. Popular materials for long-lasting doors. Fiberglass. Combines the look of wood with superior durability and weather resistance, making it ideal for Clearwater's humid climate. Steel. Offers a sleek, modern appearance and unmatched strength for enhanced security. Wood. Provides timeless beauty and warmth, perfect for traditional homes, with proper maintenance. Choosing a high-quality door material ensures your investment enhances your home's curb appeal for years to come. Improves energy efficiency. The curb appeal isn't just about looks, it's also about functionality. Energy-efficient doors with proper installation can enhance your home's appearance while lowering energy bills and keeping your home comfortable. Energy-efficient features. Insulated cores. Keep your home cool during Clearwater's warm months. Weather stripping. Prevents air leaks, ensuring a consistent indoor temperature. Low E glass. Reflects heat and UV rays, protecting your interior and reducing cooling costs. An energy-efficient door adds value and appeal by making your home both stylish and environmentally friendly. Boosts security and peace of mind. And a stylish new door that also provides enhanced security makes your home more appealing to potential buyers and gives you peace of mind. Security-enhancing features. Reinforced frames provide strength and stability to withstand forced entry. High-quality locks. Modern locking mechanisms enhance safety without compromising style. Impact-resistant options. Ideal for Clearwater's hurricane-prone climate, these doors add safety while maintaining curb appeal. A secure home is a more attractive home, offering beauty and protection in equal measure. Completes the look with professional installation. Professional door installation ensures your new door fits perfectly, operates smoothly, and looks flawless, maximizing its impact on your home's curb appeal. Why professional installation matters. Precision fit. Proper alignment and sealing prevent gaps and drafts while enhancing aesthetics. Customized solutions. Professionals can tailor the door to your home's unique entryway dimensions and style. Long-term performance. Expert installation ensures your door remains functional and beautiful for years. With professional installation, your new door becomes the perfect finishing touch to your home's exterior. Conclusion. Replacing your door is one of the easiest ways to elevate your Clearwater home's curb appeal. A stylish, well-chosen door enhances your home's aesthetics, complements its architecture, and adds value, all while improving functionality and energy efficiency. If you're ready to upgrade your door, contact a trusted door replacement specialist in Clearwater. With their expertise, you can find the perfect door to transform your home and make a lasting impression on guests, neighbors, and potential buyers alike.